Imagine preparing financial statements that investors, banks, regulators, and companies around the world can all understand. That's the purpose of International Financial Reporting Standards. Today, IFRS is used in more than 140 jurisdictions, providing a common language for financial reporting and improving transparency and comparability across businesses. IFRS is a set of accounting standards developed by the International Accounting Standards Board. These standards guide how companies recognize, measure, present, and disclose financial information, helping users make informed economic decisions. Let's look at 10 important standards. IFRS 15 explains how companies recognize revenue from contracts with customers using a 5-step model. IFRS 16 requires most leases to be recognized on the balance sheet, increasing transparency. IFRS 9 covers financial instruments, including classification, measurement, impairment, and hedge accounting. IFRS 18 introduces updated presentation and disclosure requirements designed to improve the structure and comparability of financial statements. IFRS 10 explains when and how companies should prepare consolidated financial statements. IFRS 3 provides the accounting framework for business combinations and acquisitions. IFRS 2 covers transactions involving share-based payments. IFRS 13 establishes a consistent framework for measuring fair value. IFRS 8 requires companies to report financial information by operating segment. IFRS 1 guides organizations adopting IFRS for the first time. Understanding IFRS isn't just about compliance. It's a career advantage. Whether you're preparing for interviews, working in accounting, managing financial reporting, or leading finance teams, IFRS knowledge strengthens your credibility and decision-making. This video introduced the most important IFRS standards every finance professional should know. Throughout this week, we'll break down each topic into quick, practical lessons, starting with IFRS 15. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to AI Finance Hub, like the video, and share it with someone building a career in accounting or finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.